What is up, guys? Dylanrhyne here, bringing you another episode of Project Ozone 3. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, or a mine-tastic day, as I usually say, but haven't got used to saying it just yet. But yeah, so in between episodes, I have done a few things. I know that we had got some of this stuff over here together, and we had this alloy smelter and a sag mill, but I went ahead and upgraded them to the next tier. So if you go in here and you look at sag mill, here we go. You got the simple, the regular sag mill, and you got the enhanced. So we went from the simple one to the regular sag mill. So it took some dark steel, which isn't too bad to make. It's pretty simple, just some iron, liquefied coal, so any type of coal, and some molten obsidian, and I made those. So we got both of those going, and we got the wired charger. Y'all saw that last time, and I went ahead and made some more metallurgic infusers, and I also went ahead and put 8 speed upgrades and 8 energy upgrades in all 3 of these, so they work really fast. And I also made some vibrant capacitors here, so this holds 75 million power here, and it's still going up from our solar panels here. But what I want to do today is I want to expand on this. I'm thinking make 6 more of these, and that should be tons of power. So this is 75 million, so that should be what, like a little over 200,000, like 200 or 225 million or something like that. So that's a good bit of power. So that's what we need to do. We need to make these vibrant capacitors. So let's go ahead, and I think I have pretty much everything here. Electrical steel, we're going to make the octadic capacitors and the vibrant crystals. So we're going to need some emeralds, which I'm not sure if I have. We're going to need some energetic alloy. Here we go. Grab some of that. We're also going to need vibrant alloy. We'll grab some of this, and we'll go ahead and grab these two because we're going to need some of those. And what else did we need? Electrical steel. So let's grab some electrical steel here. Perfect. And then I think we're going to need some more stuff for, nope, not those. We went with the octadic. So, yep, we got that. We need glowstone. And then we're going to need crushed coal. And then we're going to need the grains and iron nuggets, gold nuggets, and copper. So we should have all of that, I believe. So we got some copper. Let's go ahead and grab some gold. We'll just grab these. We'll grab those also. And then we'll grab some iron. So we'll grab some, we'll just take this. And then we also needed one more thing, glowstone. So let's take some glowstone. And we will make this into a bunch of glowstone here. I do have a little bit in there, so if we need more, we can make more. And actually, I might just go ahead and grab a stack out of this and go ahead and make that. Perfect. All right, so let's see what we got here. We're going to need some grains. We need grains of infinity. So let's do grains. There we go. And I had a bunch more. What did I do with them? What did I do with all those grains that I had? Grains. Do I have any capacitors? Capacitors? I do have some double-layered capacitors. I thought I had more grains. I could have swore I had more grains. I don't know what I did with them, though. Are they in here? No, they're not in here. Okay. Yeah, I had like 6 stacks of them. I have no idea what happened to my grains. Okay. Well, all right, let's work with what we got for now, and then I will search and try to find those. I'm not quite sure what happened to those. But anyway, all right, so we'll go ahead and just make all of these here. Perfect, okay. And then we'll go back here, and we're going to need to make the different capacitors here. So we need these, so we need gold. So we'll go ahead and make a bunch of gold. So that should be like this and like that, and then we'll have copper in the middle, and then have our grains here. So that should make us a good bit there. We'll try to make a few more here. And if I need some more, I can make some more. I'm sure I will. Then we can go back, and let's go ahead and make these double layered. So we need the crushed coal, which I should have some of that. Coal, unless it just didn't save some of my progress for some reason. Because I did have a bunch of grains of infinity. I'm not quite sure what happened to them. but that's alright. Backspace. Let's grab this guy, and then let's grab this, and let's make as many of these as we can. Yeah, so we're going to end up needing some more, so I'll probably have to do a little bit more off camera, but that is perfectly fine. So we got 7 of those, and then we're going to need these vibrant, so we're going to need emeralds, and I think I'm going to have to get some emeralds. Yeah, so I'm going to have to get some emeralds, so we'll just go ahead and do the alt click here for this to select that, and I'm going to sit here and grab some emeralds, and I'm also going to try to find my grains of infinity, because I have no idea what happened to them. And then make some more of the capacitors there, so we have enough to make 6 of the vibrant capacitors. Alright guys, so I went and got a bunch more of these grains of infinity. This is what I had. This is the amount I had before this episode. I have no idea what happened. Absolutely no idea what happened. But it is what it is. So let's go ahead and make some more of these. I think I'm going to need 5 more stacks of these, so I'm going to have to grab some more iron also. Here we go. So let's actually not do that one just yet, because I might not need that one. Alright, there we go. And yeah, we'll have to grab just a little bit more iron here. So let's do iron. Alright, and we'll grab, let's just go ahead and grab that much. We ain't going to need that much, but it is perfectly fine. There we go. Alright, and then this last little bit here, let's throw this in here. I know I'm probably going to need more items, but that is okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and make more of these. So I'm going to need more gold. Alright, that's pretty easy. Gold. Oh, go back. Alright, let's grab this big stack here, and we'll throw this into here. And of course I don't have enough room, but that is alright. We'll do this. And then I'm going to need these. And then I'm going to need copper. But we need more copper. I don't know if I have more copper up here or not. I don't think so. No. Alright, but I do have some more downstairs. So we'll just run over here and grab some more copper. I should have some block form. Let's see. Bronze. Alright, let's do this. If you double click down here and then you type what you need, it will show if it's in there or not. And obviously it's not in that one. See if we got any here. We do have some in here. Perfect. Okay. So we get out of that. And then just to get out of it, you just double click it again. Just kind of a cool little thing there. If you're trying to search for something and you're just as bad as me where you look over it 5 times. I still think I'm looking over these grains of infinity, and I have looked in everything. I mean, I've even looked in like this. So I have no idea what happened to it. But that's alright. So we'll move on. There's 64 of those. So let's go ahead and make as many of these as we can. So it looks like we're probably going to need more energetic alloy, which is pretty simple. If I'm thinking correct, it is just gold. And then it's going to be glowstone, which I think I'm going to have to go get some more glowstone. Do we get glowstone over here? No, we don't. I think we get some downstairs over here, but we probably don't have a whole lot. Yeah, I don't have much there. That's fine. I can get some more glowstone. And then the other thing, I can't think of it off the top of my head. Let's do energetic. Oh man, I keep spelling this wrong. It's inner, not eng. There we go. Alright, so to make this, we put in an alloy smelter. So yeah, and redstone. So we need redstone also. Alright, and I don't know if I have any in here, but I did go get some more off camera in between episodes, so we do have a bunch in here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get more glowstone for us, and then once I've got enough, or I think I've got enough, then we'll come back and see if we can, that's the wrong thing, see if we can finish this up. Alright guys, so I got all of that done. Now we're making some vibrant alloy, which is the energetic alloy and ender pearls. We need 6 more, I believe. That should do it right there. Let's go back over here to our crafting table and see if we can't make these last octadic capacitors here. Alright, boom. And it looks like we have enough for 4. Yes, that's exactly what we need. So let's do this. And now we've got 6 of these capacitors. Awesome. So each one of these individually does 25 million and can output 25,000. So if we go over here and we place these on top, they're really cool. They connect. So we can do something like this. this, and this, and then you can shift right click this, and then it'll show you the inputs and stuff. So I think that's really cool. So we're getting 2,688 right now. I guess just a little bit of what's in these. So if we go ahead and sleep, that will also keep going. But now that we got those, there's some other stuff that I want to do with power that will increase the amount of power that we're getting into our vibrant capacitors here, if I could talk. So what I want to do, we'll go ahead and get rid of this, is I want to make these wind generators. They seem pretty simple to make. Now, as long as I got everything from last episode, I should have a bunch of these enriched and basic control circuits. So let's run over here and make sure, so I don't have to do another cut. Let's see, circuit, yeah. So here we go. We got a bunch of these, and then we also need the these right here, and it looks like, yeah, I am missing some. What is going on here? What is going on? I had 6 stacks of these. 6 stacks of these, and they're all gone. Why is it doing that? I don't know. Something's going on with this game, guys. Kind of weird. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. Like, I don't want to make something really good and then it just be gone. I mean, I guess I could spawn something in, but I really don't want to do that. Oh man, that's such a bummer. Like, that just makes you upset. But whatever, I guess we got to deal with it now. So if the game's gonna act like that, then I'll just remake them. See how the game feels about that, huh? Yeah. Oh, can't do that one. How you feel about that, game? Yeah. What you gonna do now? I'm just gonna make more, and it's gonna be fast because I got the speed and the energy upgrades, and you're not taking much energy. So ha 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 in your face. Whatever. Alright, let's just go ahead and get rid of some of this other stuff that we don't need anymore. I don't think we need any of this. Yeah, so we'll let those start going over there. But let's go ahead and see how far we can get with this. So do we have any osmium up here? We do have a little bit of osmium. Okay. But we're going to have to make these tablets too. And we're going to need redstone and gold for that. So let's grab some gold. Let's just take 3 stacks of that, and then if I can press the right button, all right, and 3 stacks of this. All right, so let's go ahead and try to make some of these tablets here, and it looks like we can make a good bit, and they don't stack. Perfect. They don't stack. Great. All right, let's just get rid of some of this stuff for now, I guess, so that I can collect this stuff back up, and then we can just throw that out and grab these. Perfect. All right, so what do we have? We have everything so far. This is probably going to be a pain in the you know what, because you got to do all of this. Come on, there you go. You got to do all of this separately here. So let's see what we can't do. What is that? That's good. So we'll do that. We'll leave one of those out. We'll put that there, and we'll put a bunch of these in. And then we're just going to have to take these tablets and put them in as we go. So just like this, they don't have to be charged or anything. I know it says stored energy. You do not have to have them charged, so don't try wasting your time doing that. But yeah, so give me just a few seconds. I'm going to just run through all of these, probably make some more of the tablets, and probably get some more osmium because that's the only thing I'm really running low on. We got more of the energetic alloy going, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so give me just 1 second here, and then we will come back, and hopefully we'll have a good bit of these wind generators. Alright guys, so I got 5 wind generators here, but we also got a double chest up there, so we got 32 wind generators in total. Right now I'm making some more steel because we need to make some of these cables. We got to start with the basic ones here. It's 2 steel ingots and a redstone. And then I want to try to at least get to the advanced. And it's going to take 8 of those with 1 enriched alloy. So while we wait on that to cast some of the steel blocks for us, let's go back up here and grab some iron. Alright. And let's do 14 of those. And then we'll throw that back and we'll do iron one more time. And then we will fill that up. And let's go ahead and make some more of these enriched alloys so that we have them for the cables and for future projects, because I'm sure we will not be using all of these. But yeah. Alright, so we'll go back over here. I'll show you this chest really quick. So it's full of wind generators, which is awesome. So we need to make a spot, and these wind generators, if you hold shift or hold shift and M, it tells you a generator that uses the strength of the wind to produce energy with greater efficiency at higher levels. Higher levels is talking about the Y level. So the higher we can put it in the air, the better this will be. So what I want to do is just come branch off of the center of this, wherever the center is, right here, and we're just going to come up as high as we can go, I guess. So it'd be like 256. That's why I need a bunch of, oh crap, that's why I need a bunch of the cables there, and we're going to need even more cables because it takes 8 of them to make the advanced ones. So let's go ahead and take this all the way up to level 256. Alright guys, we're up here at 256, and this kind of looks weird right now because I was testing. I got up to 256. Obviously you can't put it at 256, so I went down a block and it wouldn't work. So I kept going down, kept going down, kept going down, and I finally got it here. So I came up, tried this spot, came up, tried this spot, and for some reason it looks like if we stand here that you cannot put it any higher than, what would that be, like 251? Yeah, you cannot put any higher than 250, sorry. So if you're doing this and you're having an issue, just do 250 and it should work out for you. So yeah, I'm gonna just branch right off of this 250 here. So we'll get rid of this block and this block. Alright, and then we'll just find our center point. So our center point is here, so that is our center right there. And I will just go ahead and break these other blocks and just vein mine that. Perfect. Alright, and let's come out just a few more blocks here before we get started. And I'm going to have a little section, if I stop falling here, we'll have a little section here. And we'll put a torch right here so nothing can spawn. And this will be like our little working area for the cables and stuff. So we got 32 of these things. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll do this way. That'll be like that. Alright, and then we'll come this way some more. And the way we got to set these up, which I will show you, is we have to set them up facing like either way, so this way or that way, but it's got to have a cable. So when we place this, we'll just leave a space right. Oh, I ran out. That's right. So let's just fall down here. Alright, and we'll come over here to this chest. Alright, and we'll just go ahead and grab a bunch of these guys. Perfect. Alright, is any of these enriched alloys done? Because if so, that, oh, I've got some on me. Okay. Let's try to make, well, no. We'll do that in a second. Alright, let's get back up here. Now, this would be a lot easier if we had a dimensional transceiver, which I can show you if we go to the quests. We have some quests that are completed that we need to get. This guy right here, dimensional transceiver. We have to have a few more items in the Ender IO section to be able to get to that. Shouldn't be too hard, but it can be a little bit of a pain. So we will do that probably in a different episode. But let's go ahead and keep extending this out. And actually, I think I have a wand. Do I have a wand? I do have a wand. We'll just throw that out. Why did it not pick that up? Alright, my game must be like glitchy or something right now for some reason. Alright, that's fine. We'll just do all of that. There we go. And let's go ahead and place down some more of these facing in these directions. At least it will automatically put it into your hand if you have an extra one. That's, I guess, some kind of positive. But yeah, alright, so let's go ahead and we just got to keep placing them down like this because we've got to have the cables be able to come through and to connect here also. So that's why I do it this way. Obviously, you can do it how you want to. You just got to have a way for them to be able to connect to the same line. Alright, so we'll go over here and let's grab some more of these guys. Here we go. Yeah, I got a good bit of these. I got 32 of these. So that should be a pretty good amount for our power needs here, because we are not powering hardly anything, really anything. We've only got, what, like, yeah, 6 machines down there that we're powering, and we're putting all this power. But it's fine. It's a good way to go ahead and get started, get some extra power in the system so that we can see how much power we're using, if we're going to need to make some more power, and stuff like that. So that's why I wanted to do those vibrant capacitors also, so that we would have plenty of storage for power in case we needed to make more power when we was running out. We would have time to get more power. I feel like I repeated myself like 15 times there. All right, we'll come back down here and we'll grab, I think this is probably the last section or so. Hopefully we can fit all of these in our inventory. Let's see here. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And this will be the last little bit of the windmills, and then we can go ahead and start making some of the cables. Like I said, we'll look at the dimensional transceiver later. I might look at it off camera just to see if we can do that anytime soon or not. I think we can, but I'm going to check it out before I actually say anything. So, all right, let's go ahead and extend this. So we've got 4 sections here. I like that. I think that looks good. We'll go ahead and extend this a little bit more, and then we'll place these down just like that. All right, and then we'll put some more here, here, and here. And then hopefully I got 4 more. Do I have 4 more? Oh, I'm 1 short. All right, well, I'm going to make 1 more of those, and then I'm going to go ahead and start making some of those basic cables after I get done with this last one. All right, I just got done making our last wind generator there, and I got down here and got some steel. We also have 64 more blocks of steel, but I think this might be all right for the moment. So let's just go ahead and make all of this, and let's make some of these pipes. Possibly. What's going on here? Tinkers, any thermal. Oh, it's redstone. What am I talking about? Okay, that makes it a lot easier. Yeah, it was definitely redstone, Dylan. What are you talking about? All right, so yeah, there's a bunch of those cables, and I think that made 8. So if we throw all of these in here, just like that, and do that, I think I have more energetic of the alloy here, or enriched alloy, I'm sorry, I should say. All right, there we go. And we can make a whole stack of these guys, right? Yeah, there we go. So we got a whole stack. Oh, wow. That makes 8. Okay, we got plenty. We've got absolutely plenty. All right, I was kind of worried. I was like, all right, I might have to make a few more because this is kind of a far drop here. But no, we are golden. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook all these up, and we're going to run the wire straight down, go underneath here, and run it straight up into the middle of that vibrant capacitor, and hopefully we can see how much we are getting. Let's move this torch like this and this, and I know I don't need to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway just because I'm paranoid. Here we go, and then we'll place one there. Perfect. All right, so we got these advanced cables. It says that they transfer 1.28 megajoules, I guess. I'm not really quite sure how much that is, but anyway, these can also have speed upgrades or energy upgrades, I think. Let's see, we can change this to RF. All right, so it says producing 96 RF, outputting 192. So not a lot, but all of these put together is going to be making a lot more. So we'll just run it like this, and we'll run this one across, and then we'll run these down, and hopefully, okay, sometimes that might crash your game. I've had that happen before, not in this mod pack, but in other mod packs. You have to use a Yeti wrench, something like that. I think it's been a while. All right, there we go. So we got all of that, and it looks like we are getting tons of power so far. All right, and then we're just going to take this, and we're going to run it all the way down. Let me get right underneath this. That way I can just, come on, stop. Okay, there we go. All right, and we'll just run this all the way down, and I don't think this loses power as it goes, but it might. So don't quote me on that. It might do that, but that's okay. Like I said, we've got plenty of power. This is just a backup, and we'll have that dimensional transceiver, and we'll have one up there and one down here at the vibrant capacitor banks. And that will keep it from losing power if it does. I'm not quite sure. But yeah. Alright, so we should almost be there. Yep. Okay, and it looks like we've only used 1.5 stacks, I think. Maybe 2.5. Alright, so let's figure out exactly where this is. Let's break this block. Okay, so we'll break that one. And then we will just run this. And it does look like it connects. So that is awesome. And then before we hook that up, we can go into here and do a configure. And you can move this around and see what you've got hooked up to where. So like this right here, we can do in input. Can we do an in and an out? I thought you could. Maybe not. Okay, so we'll just do a input. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. No. Let's do... Sorry, I'm just thinking here. Let's do an... Let's just keep this as none. Because we've got these inter IO cables here. And they can do pull and... Or push and pull. So... And it looks like they are on that. Okay, so those are fine. Here, though, what we want to do, if we go back into the configure, is we want to put this to an input so that's accepting this power. See how the green is only at this cable now and it's not down here? If I go back and I put this as none, oh, nope, do none. Why can't I do none? Disabled? Okay, I guess I can't do none now. But if you do output, then obviously you're going to see this here. So I really like these cables because of that. You can see where the power's going, if there's power there, stuff like that. But when we put it to input, it's going to take all that power out of the cables. And these cables can retain power themselves. So not only will we fill up this vibrant capacitor bank, we will also fill up all of these wires and fill up the windmills up at the top too. All right, let's take it and do it like this. Where is this cable at? There it is. Is this going to be low enough? Probably not. Okay, yeah, it is. Sweet. All right, so we'll have it just like that, and we'll run this just like that. And let's get up here and see how much power we're pulling in. Holy mess. Okay, that was just a buffer from the cables. All right, I was freaking out there for a second. But 6,330, 310, whatever. That's a lot of power for us right now, and that is absolutely fantastic. 225 million power that we can hold. So that is always awesome. And we're obviously not outputting anything because we're not using anything in there. All right, sweet. So we've got all these extra cables, which is perfect. We can use those at a later date. Let's go ahead and go into the quest book here. And actually I was in the right spot. And let's go ahead and look through all of this stuff and see what we got. So we got the energetic alloy. We got the vibrant, electrical steel, the basic capacitor bank, regular capacitor, and the vibrant. We got dark steel. We got the sag mill and the alloy smelter. This is not the basic. This is the basic here. And then we've got octadic capacitor. Yeah, so we got a good bit of stuff here. We'll just go ahead and claim all of that. Do we have any other quests that need to be claimed? It does not look like it. Okay. So let's go back into this one and see what else we can do. Okay, so we're wanting to get to this dimensional transceiver here. So Solarium. Solarium is soul sand and something else. I'm fairly certain. How do you make it though? I can't remember. Yeah, alloy smelter. Okay, so it's gold and Solarium. What is soul powder? Okay, that's from Solarium. Okay. All right, so we need gold and we need soul sand for that. So give me a few seconds. I'm going to go through some of this. We're running a little low on time, so I want to try to get at least maybe these two done, just so we can go ahead and inch our way towards this dimensional transceiver. We got plenty of soul sand now. If I go into here, yeah, we got plenty of soul sand. We only need one stack for now, so we'll throw both of those in there, and they will start to do their thing. All right, so we got Solarium. That should give us a quest. Maybe. Shouldn't it give us a quest? How many do we need? We need to get a certain amount. Okay, we need 12. All right, I was about to say, I was like, oh my God, come on now. Alright, we'll let that finish up. Let's put this RAK up and let's see how much we got. I think we got like 600 or so, 615, so 660 now. Awesome. I don't know if there's anything else in here that we need at the moment. Don't think so. We did get this legendary one. Can we do that again? We can. Okay, we might do that. We might do that at the end of the episode. See what happens. God, that cable looks really weird. Alright, let's go in here, and there we go. So we should get this quest complete. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so let's go back and go back into the Ada quest line, and we will claim this. Alright, and then the next is the Soul Chassis. Alright, so this is, we're going to need an induction smelter. Okay, we can use an alloy smelter. We need soul attuned die blend and simple machine chassis. We've made this before, so that's not hard, and I might actually have one. This is organic dye blend, crushed quartz, and organic black dye. We did have some of that stuff. I don't know if we still have it. Let's do dye. Let's see, we got organic black dye. We have the industrial. Alright, so let's go back here, and let's see, we need soul powder, crushed quartz, which is easy, organic brown dye, which you can get from doing this stuff right here. Yeah, okay, let me get some stuff together, and I think we're going to end off with this quest. Alright guys, I think I got everything together. First off, I was using these shears to get the grass, but if you look at this, so if we go here, go here, go here, if you go to grass, you can use nature essence, and we 10 seeds for nature essence. So I just went ahead and did that and got a bunch of those. So if we go in here, it looks like we got 6. How many did we need? I think it was 6, right? No, we need 12. Okay, we need 12. So let's go ahead and throw that into there. Hopefully that'll give us 12 more, or 6 more, sorry. And then we can take the slime balls with the twigs and put them into here. Is that right? I think so. Into the alloy smelter, yes. And that should give us that dye there. All right, looks like we're almost there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Don't make me use more. Don't make me use more. Oh, wow, and it worked last second. Okay, so now we can take this, throw this in here with this, and that should start making those. Perfect. Okay, all right, we got that. Now we need to go ahead and get who needs a jungle? Okay, cool. So we need some crushed nether quartz, so we can go ahead and take these and throw them in here. That should give us 1 for 1, and I think it gives us a chance to get another one. Yep, there we go. Got another one. And is that everything we needed? We need the soul powder, so we can put that into a sag mill, and that is the Solarium that we just made. We need 2 of those. Perfect. All right. So let's go over here and see if we can't make this thing. Come into here, grab this guy and make a bunch of those, and then this is the simple machine chassis. Let's see if I have one of those. Simple. It does not look like I have one of those, but that is all right. Iron bars and grains of infinity. So let's do grains. We need one of those, and then we need iron. Let's do iron, and we do have 4 iron bars. And what was it? Just 4 regular iron, I think. All right, let's do that. Do this. We'll make one of those. Perfect. And then to make this, we need to put it into there with the soul attuned, which we have. All right, we'll come back over here to the sag mill, or to the alloy furnace, or whatever this thing's called. The alloy smelter, there we go. All right, and we got that, and then all we need to do to make, oh no, that was it, wasn't it? Yeah, that was the quest. Perfect, perfect. And then we can get into the slice and splice next episode. Doesn't look too bad. Solarium, some kind of head, which we have. We just made this. You can use regular iron or dark. And then Energized, which is the regular Energized alloy there. And infinity bars here. Actually, I'm going to just get the stuff together, and we're going to make this really quick. Alright, I think I got everything together except mob heads. So it looks like we got zombie heads, enderman heads, creeper heads, wither skeleton heads, and we'll keep those though. I don't see any skeleton heads. That's fine. We'll take one of these zombie heads here, and I should have everything. Alright, let's go over here, and let's click this. So it looks like we need these energized biometal gears. Alright, so we need some of these. So let's go ahead and make some of those. And then we're going to need these. So we got 2 of those. And then let's make 2 of those. And boom, we got the slice and splice. Perfect. Now for the slice and splice, I think you have to have shears, which we do have some shears. And you have to have an axe, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, let's go ahead and throw this down, just check it out. And we do need a capacitor also. So there's the shears. We would need a axe, which I don't think you can just use like this axe, which is actually a mad axe, so it probably wouldn't work either way. You can. Okay. It's broken at the moment, but you can do that. Alright, I'll need to fix that later. That is fine. I don't think I have like an axe or anything. And I don't know what like the durability for that stuff is. So like if I did steel here and I did 3 of these and then I grabbed 2 sticks, I don't know if I can do this or not. Let's just try it out. We're just testing some stuff. Okay, we got that. Now it says the durability. Okay, it says durability is 2000. Okay, for some reason I'm thinking that all of them except for the Tinker's tools, all the tools is just 1 durability, but that's fine. And then a capacitor, which we can make a capacitor really, really quick, I believe. Capacitor, do we have any? No, we don't. All right, that's fine. We'll grab some of these. And yeah, let me just make an octadic capacitor real quick since we're running low on time for the episode. And then we'll come back and put that in and we'll wrap up. All right, perfect. There is our octadic capacitor. Let's pop this bad boy in here. And just like that, boom. Oh, wait. Put that one back in. All right, and that is going to start getting power. Let's see, we are draining power, I believe. Oh, no, it's keeping up with these solar panels. That's awesome. I like our power system here. But yeah, so that's going to fill up, and then we can use that. That is fantastic. But guys, that is going to do it. We got all that power up there done. We got plenty of power stored. We got 75 million power. That is awesome. And we got a few more quests done, and we also got some machines done. So next time I think we might work on getting that dimensional transceiver and also a little bit of agricraft. Or magical agriculture, sorry, because I need a few things from that, and it would make my life a whole lot easier. But yeah, guys, that is going to do it. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please just hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I put out another video. That's going to do it, guys, and I will see you in the next episode. Dylanrhyne